This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Mark Dayton. Here's chance to own your own home in Northeast Street, Petersburg at a great value. As you enter the home, you will be greeted with newer ceramic tile wood plank flooring and an open floor plan ideal for entertaining. The kitchen was updated in 2018 and features updated cabinets and granite countertops. The other notable updates are windows and a new roof in April of 2019. The lot size of this home site gives endless possibilities, from scraping the lot for a new home, or there's room for a home addition, a pool, or whatever you may imagine. The home is walking distance to restaurants, shopping, and just minutes from downtown street, Petersburg. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Dayton at 727-527-7373.